How to create WordPress blog website. Want to share your thoughts, passion, or expertise with the world? Creating your own blog website is easier than you might think, especially with the WordPress. Today, we will walk through the basic steps together. So, first question, have you ever imagined having your own corner of the internet to express yourself? A blog is just that. And WordPress is a fantastic platform to build it on. Ready to dive in? The first thing you will need is a domain name. That's your website address, like your awesomeblog.com. Something like that. Think of it as your blog's online identity. Got some ideas swirling in your head already? Excellent. Next up is hosting. So this is where your website flies live. Think of it as renting space on the internet for your blog. There are many hosting providers out there, and choosing the one is the first step. Once you have chosen your domain and hosting setup, installing the WordPress is usually a breeze. Many hosting providers offer one-click installation. Imagine clicking a button and poof, the WordPress is ready for you. First things first, let's go to wordpress.com, then go to get started over here. Let's make it love is difficult, but so it's became love is difficult, but it's a blessing. It's a blessing. So here's a recommended one. You can use love is difficult, but is a blessing.blog. So this is free for the first year. Let's choose something that is free. So the free one is over here, love is difficult, but is a blessing.wordpress.com. Simply select on that and you can see it over here. So you don't have to pay a penny to create a blog post in a WordPress. Then tap on continue. So you can see a plans over here. It starts with free $0 with no expiration date, and this is if you want to take a personal plan, then it will cost you around $4, and there's a premium version too, and there's also other packages or plans. You can see it over here. There's business, e-commerce, expertise. So we will be using the free one. So tap on start with free. And if you want it for the business, you can use the another plan as per your business or as per your need. Okay, let's go to this one. So here it is asking you what you like it to do. Pick one or more goals and we will tell the setup experience for you. That's it for now. Let's go to the another theme. Now you will be asked to pick a theme. So here you can see a theme. So most of them are personal. So let's quickly choose one of them. Maybe we can use this one. It's a little bit creative. So this is how it looks like. You can also choose the colors from here. So this is the premium style. We may not be able to use them. So let's keep it as it is. Then for the fonts, there's only the premium fonts. So let's keep it as it is. Then tap on continue. Now our site is created. Let's go to visit a site. So this is how my site will look like. So that was the whole idea. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.